everything I sold out. Now just look at.
Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, we are going to be switching it up a little bit. We're gonna be doing some spring cleaning and decorating in the master bathroom. So, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you on my channel. Let's get started.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin.
Okay, let me show you this like little, what do you call it? Trivet turntable? Not sure. It's kind of messed up a little bit on the bottom, but you can't really tell. But I got it from Ross for $8.50. So you can't really beat that. Hey friends, so first and foremost, we need to clean off all the counters. I've got lots of stuff here that doesn't belong, but then also the sinks really need to be cleaned out really well. My kids use our bathroom as well as the other 2 bathrooms to like brush their teeth and everything in the morning when they're getting ready. So yes, they definitely don't do a great job of cleaning out the toothpaste. So I think I said in my last video, I'm pretty sure you guys have probably already moved on from the spring decor, but I mean, it's still April, so I decided I'm still going to post it, especially because I did spend time in here cleaning and decorating, so I definitely wanted to share it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you on my channel. I'm trying my best to be more consistent. So
it's wrong for me, and I wish somebody would have it, should have warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me. Oh, yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of confidence club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she.
now we're gonna clean the mirrors. This is my favorite mirror cleaner or glass cleaner. It's by Sprayway.
Like she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Also, I'm excited to have new music. I think every song in this video, don't quote me, I don't think I have used any song that I've used in this video prior to today. I found all new music. I had an issue with like my iTunes and my computer. I don't know, but I finally was able to get it fixed. So we've got all new music, and so that made me super happy. Also, side note, have you guys seen that Hobby Lobby has fall decor now? It's insane. Obviously not on sale or anything, but that makes me super excited. I may even go in there and film like a shop with me video at some point soon and show you guys what they have.
Like she knew. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew.
So yeah, we need to get down to sweeping out this bathroom. I really do need to mop, but I did not get to mopping today in this video. But sweeping out the bathroom, including the little water closet over here, and then we're gonna go in and clean the toilet. I think I said before in my last video, one of my favorite chores, it's so weird, is cleaning the toilet. I know it's like gross, but the satisfaction I get from all the scrubbing and making sure that everything is disinfected is unmatched. Yep, girls, I had to put the hair up. I didn't know what I was thinking, sitting here trying to do all this cleaning. My braids was going everywhere. And then I really was regretting wearing a dress. I thought I was going to be super cute and, film a spring, decorate with me with this little pink dress, which, by the way, was like 18 bucks on Amazon. Let me know if you want the link. But when I went into the shower, I was like, why am I cleaning the dress? It got in the way. It was so irritating, but we got it done. All right, let's get to the shower. I think I'm going to spray it down first. Then we're gonna go back in with this Scrub Daddy Tangerine Clean, Natural Cleaning Paste. I haven't tried it yet, but I've heard good things about it. So hopefully it will work. If you guys have any tips on cleaning the glass showers, I would absolutely love to have them. Leave them below. It gave me such a hard time. And it's as good as it's gonna get today. But anywho, now we're just gonna decorate over here real quick. I've got just a few little pieces I think will be really cute. Switch out some florals, I'm gonna switch out the vase. And then, yeah, let's see.
Are so vibrant, you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain. Because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to. Like you wanted to. Like 24/7. Like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to. Like you wanted to. Like 24/7. Like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies. A totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days. It could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain. Because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to. Like you wanted to. Like 24/7. Like 24/24 heaven. Oh. thinking
Guys,
ahead.
that's all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what little piece of decor is your favorite. I think I absolutely love that little bunny over there with the macaroons. So cute. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe before you go. I would absolutely love to have you on my channel. All right, bye.